Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix wireless capability is turned off error on your Windows 10, 11 or 8 or 7. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your wireless capability is turned off error on your Windows PC, then I will show you how to fix this issue. The first option is, first you have to check whether if there is any Wi-Fi button on your laptop. Just turn it off and turn it on again. After that, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on search menu, then type here ncpa.cpl. Then click on ncpa.cpl. Here you have to select your Wi-Fi. Right click. If it is showing enable, means it is disabled. Just click on this enable option and your Wi-Fi adapter will be enabled. Mine already is enabled, so it's showing for disabled. And check whether your problem is fixed or not. After that, try the third method. Just right click on this Wi-Fi adapter, click on properties, click on configure, click on power management. You have to uncheck this option. If it is check mark, remove this tick mark. Allow the computers to turn off this device to save the power. After that, click on OK, then close this window. And once you have to restart your laptop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix wireless capabilities turned off error on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.